Hi, Pete from Wurth. Have I got something interesting to show you today? Our latest lighting range. The old charger and lead, plenty of them at home, don't need that one anymore. These babies, just pop them straight onto the charge pad. Inductive charging. We're always within easy reach. Grab it off, use your light, pop it back on again, it's charging. Self-centering on the pad. Let's have a closer look. Firstly, we have the ERGOPOWER Pen Plus light. The plus indicates the convenient inductive charging when used with one of our charging pads. The light itself has a torch function with 70 lumens output and a cob function with 100 and 250 lumens in 2 steps. So certainly a huge amount of light available there. Excellent for any sort of activity, whether it be working on vehicles, working on heavy machinery, fitting our cupboards, electrical work, camping, bushwalking, any sort of thing you can think of. These are great for any industry and also excellent for any home use or, as I say, camping use, mobile use in a vehicle, that sort of thing. Comes with a powerful magnet on the base, so it will stick to any metallic surface. It does have an input for a USB-C, which is now the world standard. So if you're not using the inductive charger, you can certainly plug that in if need be. But as I say, robust body, torch function, 2-step cob, depending on how much light you need, but certainly a huge amount of light output for such a very small unit. The second lamp in our range is this feature-packed beauty. This one here has the torch function with 100 lumens output and a cob function with 70 to 700 lumens output, almost like looking at the sun. That's infinitely dimmable down and then adjustable up just by holding the button on the back. It gives a digital readout as to the light intensity. The digital readout will also show the charge left in the battery and the charge rate when it's on the base station charging. As well as the 180-degree adjustment of the light, there is 270 degrees rotation in the light head. So it's convenient for any sort of application you may have, whether you're working down low or working up above your head. Also rechargeable through the USB-C port if you don't have the pad at hand. The most convenient pad that we have now is the dual pad. That way you can have both lights on charge at the same time. Just drop them on, they will start charging once it's plugged into the 240-volt system. The inductive charging pads have 2 powerful magnets on the back, so if you have a metal surface, you can mount them directly to that. Alternatively, there's 4 mounting holes that you can screw it into a wall, etc. That's a quick overview of our ERGOPOWER Plus range. Look out for the package deal out now. Talk to your sales rep or have a look at Wurth online. The package will contain the pen lamp, the bend lamp and the dual inductive charger. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and the LED light range is ready for work.